Oh my God, your name is harding me to pronounce. Don't be angry. You're highly welcome. I appreciate you. Hello, how are you doing? I'm doing very, very great. How are you too? How are you doing too? So let me share my screen real quick, so that I will do the top down analysis. So now like this is XAUSD. You understand? And on XAUSD, I want to do a top down analysis from daily time frame down to the lower time frame. Then we'll see what we'll be expecting from today. You understand? From today till the week will end, then till next week. Then let's like analyze where the market is presently, then where the market is heading to. Let's do it together. You understand? The family, let's do it together. Let's do it together. So first of all, we'll go to daily time frame. You understand? On the daily time frame, I'm going to show you guys what exactly I'm seeing. You understand? There is a trade that I take on this particular. I put a buy, let me just say, how is it called? I put a buy order here yesterday that I'm going to like long this particular market from here, then put my stop loss below this particular support level, then target the next high. You get target the next high, but I delete it while I'm analyzing the chart for somebody. You get so, but we are going to do a top down analysis now like this. So on the daily time frame, what exactly are you seeing? If you look at the charts, like from main looking, what exactly are you seeing? Do you guys want us to like dive into using trend line or any other thing? Okay, if you put your trend line from this particular area like this, if you put your trend line like this is your trend line. You understand? Okay, and if you put your trend line like this is how your trend line look like. The market corresponds with your trend line. If you put your trend line from this particular consideration that the market creates long ago, the market come to this particular trend line, form a W pattern and started moving to the upside. And immediately the market is moving to the upside, it moved to this particular fair value gap. There's a fair value gap around this particular area. There's a fair value gap here. The market moved to the fair value gap and retests this particular trend line again. After the market retraces the trend line, it gives something like a W pattern on this particular area. It gives something like a W pattern. Then we'll see this particular bullish engulfing candle. Then what exactly are you expecting? The market. This is the resistance level where we'll be expecting the market to be like to respect. You get either it will make a double top, then it will break to the downside or consolidate around that particular area. Either it make a double top here, break to the downside, or it will consolidate around this particular area, give us break above to the upside. Let me mark it out. Break above to the upside like this, then retest it. After it retests, then we'll see another higher high on XAUSD. This is exactly what I'm seeing. You get so this particular resistance level cannot hold the market. You know the reason why I say this particular candle resistance level cannot hold the market. The market give a clean W pattern, and before the market move from this particular support level, trend line support level, it give this is a trend line support level. I can call it a trend line support level, and I can call it an inner support level. This is it here. This is a support level. You get. I don't normally use a trend line, but for everybody to understand, I use a trend line so that you can understand what exactly I'm saying. You get. So this is it here. The market come to this particular inner support level, then give a bullish engulfing candle on the inner support level before it's moving to the upside. And yesterday candlestick closed bearish, and the bearish is pin bar. You understand? I don't know if you guys are seeing it very, very clear. If you can see it, please drop a comment. Drop a comment. If you can see my screen very clean, just drop a comment for me. How much you risk per trade? Broke 200. Broke 200. How much you risk per trade? I don't risk more than $100 per day. You understand? I divide that particular $100, then I don't risk more than $100 per day. So if you are seeing my screen and the analysis very, very well, please let me see your comments, or let me see a reaction from you under the comment section. Let me see a reaction from you under the comment section. If you are seeing the screen very, very clean and clear, let me see a reaction from you. Let me see a reaction. If you are seeing the screen very clean and clear, let me see a reaction. Okay, clear. That's very great. UD, that's very great. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm saying. This is exactly what I'm saying. So as the market comes to this particular inner support level, it gives this particular bullish engulfing candle. That bullish engulfing master that you see on my description on all social media is not by mouth. I know what exactly I studied. Because I make sure I studied bullish engulfing candle, either bullish or bearish engulfing candle, but I studied engulfing candle. You understand? That's the reason why I put that master of engulfing candle. You get? So this is it here. This is daily time frame. The markets come to this particular inner support level and give a bullish engulfing candle. And as the market is approaching this particular fair value gap, the market give a pin-bar. And what exactly are you seeing? In less than 2 hours, 18 minutes now, this particular candlestick is going to close, and it's going to close and engulf this particular pin-bar. And once it engulf this particular pin-bar, the next candlestick is going to close bullish as well, and maybe that next candlestick is going to close and engulf break above this particular resistance level, because I know for sure that this particular resistance level cannot be respected anymore, because the movement from this particular support level is too strong with a bullish engulfing candle. So the market is going to break above this particular resistance level to the next resistance level to make a double top. Then before we like see a reaction from the market. After the reaction from looking at the chart at that particular resistance level, then we can decide where the market will be heading to. You get? So that's exactly what we are going to do. And let me tell you guys, I come on this particular live stream every blessed day, except when, like, I cannot just say, like, let me not just talk. I come to this particular live stream every blessed day. I won't make it 3 times in a week, but I have to be coming every blessed day because a lot of people will be getting value. The more I come, the more I impact in the life of a struggling traders. You understand? And as you can see the topic, struggling traders live with benvfx. You get? Struggling traders live with benvfx. That is the topic. You get? So this is it here. The market is going to break above that particular resistance level. And once the market break above this particular resistance level, it's going to like make a double top. Then from the double top now, we'll know what to like decide. Either the market will break to the downside or it will break above this particular resistance level to the upside and create another higher high. You get? This is exactly what I'm seeing on XAU. And if you go to 4 hour time frame, it's still the same thing. You get? It's still the same thing. And the engulfing candle before the market move from a support level is like is very that one is just a compulsory. You get? That one is just a compulsory. This is an engulfing candle. Let me delete this particular one so that you guys will see it very clear. This is an engulfing candle from a support level, and this is an engulfing candle from the support level as the market is trying to create a W pattern. You get? So before the market move all the way to this particular area, and on the 4 hour time frame, what exactly are you seeing now like this? As the market is approaching this particular resistance level, what exactly are you seeing? This is a bullish engulfing candle and this is a bullish engulfing candle. Means this particular resistance level cannot hold the market or cannot send the market back to any resistance level. The worst this particular resistance level can do is to like maybe send the market to one inner support level before the market to move, gather momentum and move to the upside. That's exactly what I'm seeing on XAU, and you need to like take it very serious. Go to this particular go to your chart and study the chart very well. And if there is anything I'm saying, if you are watching the video and you don't understand it immediately, just come to the video again. All my video is saved under my channel. You understand? In my channel, all my video is saved, and how I analyze my chart is on my